I'm going to start the story right in the beginning. In 2009, I was in London on my way to St. Lucia in the West Indies to dive some wrecks. And I walked into a sports shop and I saw GoPro. I didn't know what GoPro was. There was very little on the packet or the packaging at that stage. The guys in the shop couldn't really tell me all that much. And I was going to buy it. And then I realized the packet had been opened and I didn't want to get all the way back and find that it was faulty, and it just becomes a mission. So I left it. I got back to South Africa, and about 2 years later, GoPro launched in South Africa. After realizing what the camera could do, I got hold of the distributors, I got an agency for it, and I did remarkably well. I sold lots and lots of GoPros. I did really well. Anyway, move on a little bit, and I moved to New Zealand, and at any one time I've probably got 4 GoPros in my bag, having been one of the agents. It's obviously a lot cheaper, and I noticed the camera started to fail. I'd go on a trip, go diving, whatever I did, I'd get back and one of the cameras would freeze. And I kept on losing footage and it just drove me crazy. So another camera then started to give other problems. So I took the 2 cameras, stripped them, and I interchanged what I could, and the camera worked again for probably another year. And then it started to go wonky again. I then looked around, and the GoPro 9 at that stage was the current model, and it was selling for 700 New Zealand dollars, so that's about 460 US dollars. At the same time, I'd been using DJI drones and I'd been using an Osmo, the handheld gimbaled camera. And DJI decided to launch their Osmo Action, which, in my opinion, has got the same features as the Hero 9, except it was 325 New Zealand dollars. So that's less than half of the Hero 9, or 212 US dollars. So I thought, fine. I bought one DJI Osmo Action. I was really impressed with it, front, back, screen, the whole works. I then bought a second one. Anyway, I've been making videos for fun, and then I bought this inflatable boat, and I noticed that the horizon wasn't always straight. And I just thought, okay, what can I do? And then I realized that the Hero 10 can level the horizon, which is going to save me lots and lots of time. So I decided to go back to GoPro. So I'm looking at the GoPro 10, decided, yes, I'm going to buy it. And I started Googling the best deals in New Zealand, and the price is horrendous. $849, one was even more, $879. The best deal I could find was $799. And I thought, that's that's a lot of money. Anyway, having been one of the agents in South Africa, I'd registered at GoPro, and I got an email from them saying that if you buy online from GoPro in America, the price is substantially cheaper. So I started investigating, and this is where everyone that's listening to this can score. And I went to GoPro.com, and you can choose the country you're in. I went to New Zealand. And the price is now $599, and it includes support package, which includes camera replacement and all sorts of other things. So at the end of the day, I bought a camera from GoPro in California. I paid GST in New Zealand. I paid import duty. The camera ended up costing me $471. So $471 compared to $850 is almost $400, $380 discount by buying from GoPro. It was sent out with UPS. It came officially. It was quick. It was here within 5 days. But what I would suggest is, if any of you are looking for a GoPro, go to GoPro.com. The majority of countries are supported. You can choose the country you're in, and UPS deliver it. So it's easy, it's quick, it's here within 5 days. All the old GoPro accessories in terms of mounts and all that still work, and you've got a camera with horizon leveling and all the other features for less than the DJI now. So the Osmo is now more expensive. The service stroke support pack, it really works, and you can replace 2 cameras, no questions asked if you damage them or they get damaged in the year, which I think is really nice. And you get all sorts of other odds and ends. What I did notice, if you're using endemic sound, you get 50% off, which is huge. Buy your camera directly from GoPro.com, save a fortune. Thanks for listening. Have a good one. Cheers.